What happens if you do 20 squats every day? What if I told you that just 20 squats a day could completely transform your body? Sounds too good to be true, right? But squats are one of the most powerful exercises you can do. When done daily, they lead to incredible improvements in strength, endurance, and overall health. In this video, we'll break down exactly what happens to your body when you do 20 squats every day. So stick around till the end, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Squats work more muscles than you think. When you squat, you're not just working your legs, half of your body gets involved. The primary muscles activated during squats include glutes, your booty muscles, quadriceps, front of your thighs, hamstrings, back of your thighs, calves, lower legs, but that's not all. Squats also engage your core muscles, including your abs and lower back, which help maintain posture and stability. Plus, secondary muscles like hip flexors and spinal stabilizers also get activated, improving coordination and overall strength. Stronger, more defined muscles. One of the first things you'll notice? Stronger and more toned muscles. Your legs and glutes will look more defined, and your core will feel tighter. Unlike running or cycling, which mainly burn calories, squats build muscle, making your body leaner, stronger, and more sculpted over time. Burn fat while building muscle. Want to burn fat while gaining muscle? Squats do exactly that. Since squatting is a highly demanding exercise, it boosts metabolism and increases calorie burn. The result? A leaner, more toned physique as you gain muscle and lose fat simultaneously. Boost testosterone and growth hormone. Squats don't just build muscle, they also increase testosterone and growth hormone levels essential for muscle growth, fat loss, and recovery. Since squats engage large muscle groups, they stimulate more hormone production than smaller exercises. This is especially beneficial for men over 30, as testosterone naturally declines with age. Women, growth hormone helps maintain muscle tone, skin elasticity, and energy levels. Want a natural way to get stronger and optimize your hormones? Make squats a part of your routine. Squats benefit your heart and circulation. Squats aren't just for muscle, they're great for your heart too. They improve blood circulation, helping prevent varicose veins and swelling. Plus, they strengthen your cardiovascular system, making your heart work more efficiently. And here's a bonus: squats boost endurance, so you won't feel tired as quickly during workouts or daily activities. If you want to feel more energetic and less sluggish, daily squats will work wonders. Better breathing and lung capacity. Did you know squats train your lungs too? They improve breathing control, help you exhale on effort, and increase lung capacity. This means better endurance, whether in workouts or just climbing stairs without gasping for breath. Increased flexibility and reduced stiffness. Feeling stiff? Daily squats improve flexibility by increasing hip and ankle mobility. A greater range of motion makes movements smoother and more efficient, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Plus, squats strengthen supporting muscles, lowering the risk of knee and lower back pain, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Everyday activities like walking and bending become easier and more natural. Better posture and spinal alignment. Do you often find yourself slouching? Poor posture is usually caused by weak core and lower back muscles. Squats strengthen these stabilizers, helping you stand taller and improve spinal alignment. But remember, good posture comes with proper squat form. So, keep your back straight, chest up, and knees aligned. Good form equals good results. Are squats bad for your knees? A common myth is that squats damage your knees. But science says otherwise. Research shows that even deep squats don't harm your ligaments. In fact, squats can strengthen your knees, but only if done correctly. However, if you have a pre-existing knee injury, improper squatting can cause pain or even worsen the condition. If your knees hurt during squats, the issue is likely poor form, mobility problems, or an underlying condition, not the squat itself. How to squat safely and effectively. Squatting every day won't harm you, as long as you do it right. Here's how to squat safely. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your hands in front or behind your head. Lower yourself slowly, keeping weight in your heels. Keep your back straight and chest up. Breathe deeply and pause at the bottom. Push through your heels to return to standing. Master this technique, and you'll enjoy all the benefits without the risks. Fun squat variations to keep things interesting. Not all squats are the same. The classic squat is great, but here are 3 fun variations to keep your workouts effective and exciting. Jump squat adds explosiveness, burns calories faster, and improves athletic performance. Lower into a squat, then explode upward, jumping as high as possible. Land softly and go straight into the next rep. Sumo squat targets inner thighs and glutes. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointing out. Lower down, keeping your back straight and core tight. Bulgarian split squat strengthens each leg individually. Place one foot behind you on a bench, then lower into a single leg squat. Great for improving balance and fixing muscle imbalances. Final thoughts. Squatting just 20 times a day can lead to powerful physical transformations. You'll build strength, burn fat, improve flexibility, boost your heart health, and even enhance your posture. So, what are you waiting for? Start squatting today and feel the difference in just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you in the next one.